this one. So first of all, this is quite famous. It's called Fix Dessert Chocolatier or Chocolatier. Chocolatier, I think.
Latier.
Okay. And it's so early. And I chose it's with kunafa. Crispy kunafa mixed pistachio and tahini paste. I will repeat for this vlog. Crispy kunafa mixed pistachio and tahini paste. Which is dirhams. 68 point. It's not here. I think 68.32. Maybe 60 dirhams plus the VAT.
Okay, so how much is that in
So that one in.
How much is that in pesos?
Yes, I'm computing.
I think that's at least like 100 pesos. For a chocolate, I think.
So 16 times, let's say 68. 1,088. Anyways, let's break it. What's the matter?
We'll rate it out of 10. And the price is already just
Okay, it's like a gift. Tada!
Show it there. Sheesh. That looks strange.
Wow.
That's thick, bro.
Like this big. Like, can you...
I've been waiting 2 days to eat this.
So, I will show here. Oh
My phone is
Oh. Like that.
Sheesh. Let me try.
Oh.
Actually, how about we both try it at the same
Okay.
time? Make sure you see my reaction. Look at that. That looks like avocado, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We almost finish it.
I'm finishing that. It tastes so good.
It's crunchy.
Do you know how many Snickers you can buy with that? That's crazy.
But still, like 68 dirhams. On this one, you can just order it talabat.
Whatever that is.
Sorry, Deliveroo.
Whatever that is.
At exact 5 p.m. I did my alarm, which is 5 p.m. Just to remind myself. Otherwise, they will close the order section at Lobos. So, but they're fast also. They deliver it so quick. And by the way, so my reaction. This is the only left. Ta-da! So, you know what I mean. It's good.